Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well and in good health inshallah. My name is Khadija Bnenti and today's video is about syntax. This video is just an introduction, but I think it's very important. Many students say that the first lesson in the syntax is not important, but who knows, we may have a question in the exam about just like the definition of syntax and the objectives, etc. So we're gonna look at all those details, okay? So the objectives of linguistic theory, the first one is to know how the human brain works by studying a language. This is the first one. Also, by linguistic theory, we can know the common properties pertaining different languages. For example, when we study or when linguists study, for example, the grammar or the English language in general, especially the syntax and the grammar of that language, or the French or Arabic. When they study all this, they know the similarities and the differences between different languages. The third one is that it helps us to determine the set of rules that generate the grammatical utterances of native speakers. So because of this linguistic theory, we could know the the grammar that or the rules or the grammar rules that native speakers use in their utterances or in their speaking. There are two main concepts in linguistic theory, which are competence and performance. Competence, it's the implicit knowledge a speaker has of, sorry for that mistake, a speaker has of his mother tongue, okay? So the knowledge that we have in our mind, okay, in our brain about our mother tongue, and it is unconscious. And this it is similar. Competence is similar to the Saussure's concept of long parole. So competence is long, and performance is parole. Okay, competence is long, performance is parole. This is not very important, but I just wanted to mention it since the professor has mentioned this. And performance is the actual use of this linguistic knowledge or this implicit knowledge that we have in our mind. And it is imperfect, means that errors may happen. For example, may occur, for example, when we are speaking. Most of the time we make mistakes, okay? Especially if we learn a second or a foreign language, we make many mistakes. But in our minds, when we think, we see that I knew that this is a mistake. I knew the right word or the correct word, but I did a mistake. So it is imperfect, unlike the competence, which is perfect. But the performance is conscious, okay? When we are speaking, we know what we're saying, but competence is unconscious. And as I said, competence is long, and performance refers to Dossauceur's term, which is parole. And now we move to the definition of syntax. Syntax is a branch of modern linguistics which is concerned with the study of sentence structure. So what syntax is about is about the structure of the sentence. It is also concerned with how words are arranged in a sentence. So how words are arranged to make sentences or the structure of a sentence. And the last thing we're talking about in the introduction is the reasons for studying syntax, or why do we study syntax? Simply, syntax helps us to illustrate the patterns of English more effectively and clearly, and it helps us to analyze the structure of English sentences in a systematic way, which means we get to know the patterns of English more clearly, and we know how we can arrange words to make sentences, so the structure of a sentence. And yeah, that's it for today's video. In the next video I'm going to talk about the syntactic relations. Thank you for watching.